Welcome back again, guys. Hope you're alright out there. Today I'm gonna show you how to make Chinese chicken bowls. Okay, let's get started. Today, first marinate the chicken with a sprinkle of pepper. We put dry parsley. Sprinkle it. And dry coriander. Sprinkle of garlic. That's a bit. And sprinkle of salt. And a sprinkle of garlic granules. Not garlic, it's oxo cubes. And have to mix them together. Mix them up there. Right. Put aside the chicken. Right, you can see here I got soaked rice and flour for the chicken and baking powder and the water. You have to mix them together with the flour, 200 grams of flour, so rice and flour. So I made one earlier. You make them like in a right consistency, so it's like a you know, when you have like a double cream one, yeah, something like that. All right, I made that one and I put them in the fridge like half an hour to an hour, so it's nice and cold. Okay, ready to deep fry them. Make sure you put the pan. Make sure your oil is very hot, so that the thing to see you dip the dry seeing if it's like boiling a bit, and that means it's very hot. All right. First, we deep fry the we cook the chicken and the flour. Cook the chicken and the flour, and then dip it into the butter. So put them in a few times. All right. And we cook it like that, and then fried it. Now it's frying. You have to do them like one by one, okay? Roll it like that. And then roll it to your batter again. Fry them in a batch. There you go. Nice, the oil is nice and hot. So deep fry them until they're very golden brown. And make sure the chicken is cooked. One by one. Look at that, lovely. Yeah. Now my Chinese chicken balls is good. It's ready now. Nice and golden brown. Look at that. It's lovely. Good. Just gonna dish them up. There you go. It's my Chinese chicken balls. If you want this dish, please subscribe, a thumbs up, once again, likes, and I'll show you in the next video. Thank you very much.